Gjeç Buresharshios. Do you know that this year the Udmurt Republic celebrates its anniversary? A century has passed since Udmurt was born. Udmurtel kun këldiz shursuk mëshu, këgjet yarın. To speak about the dates in Udmurt, we need to know ordinal numerals like first, second, and so on. Last time we got acquainted with the cardinal numerals, odik, kuk, queen, and so on. To create an ordinal numeral in English, we add the suffix th to a numeral. In Udmurt, we need the suffix eti or yeti. Nirisheti. First, there is also a numeral odigeti with the same meaning which we use in compound words. Kuketi, second, quineti, third, nileti, viteti, squateti, shijimeti, tiamuseti, ugmuseti, daseti, shueti, shurseti. We add a t to the numerals that end in the non-palatal consonants or the vowel u. In other cases, we need yeti. We add the suffix only to the last word in compound numerals. Shu daseti, kukshurs kukshu tiamuseti. Mon vărdishki shurs ugmushu ukmuston odigeti arın. Kukshurs tiamuseti arın mon universitete pări.
Gjeç
Çırtkiyem, Markule.
Ton istorikuk, veraj, këçarën këldiz Udmurtian Конституцияс.
Mânam dırıvıl, udadjishka, uroknuishko, en luketi.
Majok gine yurttı.
Yua Google-lesh, so, vanze tode.
Yaram, Google-alo, Google zemosesh.
These were my friends Artyom and Vova. They've used a lot of imperative verbs in their speech. Vera, yurtte, yua. By the way, in imperative verbs we stress the first syllable, not the last one as it's usual in Udmurt. Let's conjugate two types of verbs and create imperative verbs. To form an imperative for a second person singular, we need to remove the suffix înır or n from the infinitive. Ton Vera, ton yurtte, ton yua. We form an imperative for second person plural by removing the suffix n from the first type of verbs and then adding e or ye. Ye is used after palatal consonants, e after non-palatal consonants. Yurtını, ti yurtte. Pukshını, ti pukshe. We remove n from the second conjugation verb, infinitive, and add the suffix le. Veranı, ti verale. When we need to form an imperative for the third person, we use an auxiliary verb med and add a future form of the main verb to it. So, medveralos. Sos, medveralozy. So, we've come to the future tense finally. As usual, the first and second verb types are conjugated in different ways. Yurtını is a first conjugation verb. We remove ını and add o to the verb. This suffix refers to the future tense. Then we add suffixes that refer to the person and number. They are the same as in the present and past tenses. Mon yurtto, ton yurtot, so yurtos, mi yurtomı, ti yurtodı, sos yurtozı. Veranı is a second conjugation verb. We remove n and add the suffix lo, which refers to the future tense, and then the suffixes denoting the person and number. Mon veralo, ton veralod, so veraloz, mi veralomı, ti veralodı, sos veralozy. Ti to dishkodяне маркароди воноарен. Воноарен мон одной к Фінляндії мно. Сойник мон фінколез дишето. Нож ти маркароди?
Mon тоди, Udmurtian Constitucijas këldiz 6 декабре, shurs укмышчу укмыстон нилет ярын.
Gjeçok,
Nosh mon vërtishki, këkshurset yarın. Ojjen, mon Udmurt Constitucijalış, yegit gez.
noshmon vordishki, shursuk mëshu ukmıston këket yarın. Мон удмуртилен конституция злещ. Мăйăгес.
Матон вокщо перещине?
Тау Вова. Но штон? Теш кыли.
Мон тышкыле вăл, мон егит.
Yigit-ges, măyăges are comparative adjectives. To form a comparative adjective, we add the suffix -ges to the main form. Çeber, çeberges, jujit, jujitges, lapec, lapecges. The same way we create comparative adverbs. By the way, in Udmurt, adverbs and adjectives often have the same form. Mon vaisčuknasaikai, mon vaisaikai. To create the superlative form, we need an auxiliary word samoi, the most, or tužgesno. Samoi čeber, samoi džužit, tužgesno vižmo. Kinti palin, samoi usto dышецкиш, mon uktodiška. Noškin tužgesno usto dышetiš, olomon adişka toş. Goštişke tužgesno usto kanali, no lešte gurtiš užes. Djeçle.